Hi everyone, welcome. We'll take a moment here to go over tuning in. So, at the beginning of a Kundalini practice, we do what's called tuning in, and we use two chants for this: the Adi Mantra, which we repeat 3 times, and the Mandala Charan Mantra, which is repeated 4 times. And this practice of tuning in is a way for us to open up the sacred space of our practice, of our personal practice, and certainly of our practice together. And it is said that chanting together and even singing together can unite the heartbeat. So, think of maybe the last time you went to a concert and what that felt like, and that communal experience that you had with everyone around you, even though you didn't maybe know all of them in the audience personally. And same thing with the musician on stage. So when we join together in voices and um, our hearts begin to sync. And I think of this as a way, I think of tuning in as a way for us all to unite, connect, and sync our minds, our bodies, and our spirits as we are preparing to go into this practice together. The Adi Mantra is Ong, O-N-G, Ong Namo Guru Dev Namo. And that translates to I bow to the divine teacher within. It reminds us that we don't need to look to any external sources for our wisdom and for our guidance, that we can tune into ourselves and trust ourselves, our intuitive wisdom, to be our ultimate teacher. The Mandala Charan Mantra is repeated 4 times, and we repeat this 4 times because we're sending it in all directions that surround us. So in front, to the sides, and behind us. And we're clearing the space and creating protection all around us. The Mandala Charan Mantra is a bit longer, and it is Ad Gude Name, Jugad Gude Name, Sat Gude Name, Siti Guru De Ve Name. And we repeat that all 4 times. That translates to Ad Gude Name, I bow to the primal wisdom. Jugad Gude Name, I bow to the wisdom through the ages. Sat Gude Name, I bow to the true wisdom. Siddhi Guru De Ve Name, I bow to the great unseen wisdom. So as we tune in, we come into a comfortable seat, whatever that seat looks like for you. We find a long spine, straight spine. We engage in the locks. So we have the root lock, which is at the base of our spine. So we draw up on the perineum, engage in the pelvic floor. We draw the navel in towards the spine, and there's a slight tuck of the chin. And you may notice when you slightly tuck your chin that just opens up your airway through your throat space. So you can kind of explore, what does it feel like when you jut out your chin and then when you tuck it in, and how does even just your talking and your voice sound differently when you do those two movements. So a slight tuck of the chin, allowing for full air in and out. we'll work to finding our third eye gaze, which is looking as if we're looking right in between our two eyebrows. So you can close the eyes down and then roll the eyes up as if you're looking in between your eyebrows. This is called our third eye gaze. So we have our root lock, our navel lock, our chin lock, neck lock, our third eye gaze. We rub the palms of the hands together, bringing the hands into heart center. So feel the thumb connected with the sternum here. Maybe you even feel the sensation of your heartbeat coming through the center of your chest into your thumbs and into your hands. We'll take a full deep breath in and exhale completely. And as we prepare to chant, taking these full breaths in and out, we'll use our full voices when we chant when we tune in, or really when we chant anytime. So, allow your voice to project out, allow yourself to make sound, and just explore what that feels like, maybe what comes up for you as you prepare to tune in. Take a full deep breath in and exhale. Third breath in to tune in. Namo Gurudev Namo Gurudev Namo Namo Gurudev Namo Adgure Name Jugat Gure Name Sat Gure Name Siddhi Gurudeve Name Adgure Name Jugat Gure Name Sat Gure Name Siddhi Gurudeve Name Adgure Name Jugat Gure Name Sat Gure Name Siddhi Gurudeve Name Adgure Name Jugat Gure Name Sat Gure Name Siddhi Gurudeve Name. Take a full deep breath in, suspending the breath at the top. Hold the breath in and exhale, let it all go. Satnam, welcome. Welcome to your practice.